My name is Logan.
And this is Reagan. And today we are doing how to blow a balloon without air. So we have vinegar and
Baking soda
So you're gonna want to take a strainer
and
put the baking soda in the balloon, and then Logan
put the vinegar and set the little
in the bottle,
the bottle.
like
You
not
can have
even a
big or
quarter,
small.
half a quarter. You're gonna want to take a water bottle, and then you're gonna want to take your balloon off the strainer. Just make sure you know. You ready, Logan? Let's stretch.
Okay.
You're gonna want to stretch it out.
Hold the bottle. Someone hold the bottle. Someone has to hold the bottle.
Yeah.
Bee-bop, boo. Beep, beep.
Make it hang like this. Okay, and then you gotta do is tip it over, and then but you're gonna want to make sure you hold it so it doesn't fall